Now, I'm sure you spend a ton of time in LinkedIn. Whether you're in standard LinkedIn, which is where I am right now, or in Sales Navigator, Flow can still help you find the contacts that you're looking for. Let's show you how. Click on Flow, click on Search Contacts, and finding the right people is just a matter of doing a quick title search. Let's say we're looking for VPs of sales. Let's say we just want to focus on the US for now. We can even define if we want to make sure we check for duplicates in whatever CRM or sales automation tool we're using. Then I hit Run Stream. In real time, we're going to find all the people on LinkedIn that match your title query and still work at that company. Then we're going to give the ability to select and then get all their contact details. This is the freshest, most up-to-date information you can find because we've already verified that all these people still work at the companies that LinkedIn says they do. To import into your CRM or your sales automation tool, just select the folks you want, click on Add Prospect.